Whoa, this is cool. Where is this place? And why is this place so cool? Wow, what a route. Crazy. It's crazy beautiful, huh? Just like that. That's the thing with adventure motorcycling. If you decide to seek out adventure, it's definitely gonna come to you. The right attitude, a hell of a ton of responsibility. I mean, with motorcycling, the responsibility is this. Knowing how to do this, the back and forth according to where you are at as a rider, your skills, your fitness, everything has to be taken into account. You just can't have a lame attitude about this. You have to be the best. Am I recording? Yeah, I am. So, what was I saying? Unbelievable, huh? This trail just keeps on going. I have a job to do now, and hence I can't really go about checking out till the end of this. I will someday, for sure. But for now, I have to head back home and finish a job. Interesting, huh? Just a morning stroll, and you come across this by chance. Did I come out of? I guess here. Oh, that's a steep climb.